Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Windows 11 has a good couple of design inconsistencies. You've got legacy components which date back to almost Windows 95, like your device manager, the look and feel, and your control panel, just to mention two examples. And although this is the case, Microsoft is very slowly, and the emphasis is more on slowly, trying to make the theme and the dark mode more consistent across the board on Windows 11, as we have been talking about on the channel. And although this is the case, Microsoft now has recently acknowledged yet another part of Windows 11 that still relies on outdated design elements dating back to Windows 8. Now, this was all spotted over on X. So if we head over to X, a comment was made. The interface for the input method toggle button retains the square design from Windows 10. Well, that's actually from Windows 8, but nonetheless. This interface needs a design update to match the Windows 11 design. Now, what this person is talking about is this. And it's the input method switcher, which is found on the login screen, which we can clearly see looks a little bit outdated and does not match the look and feel of Windows 11. And is still using a Windows 8 design, as we can see. Now, in response to that question and comment, if we head down here, March Rogers says, "Thanks, Leandro. We have this on our craft list." And March Rogers, we have spoken about previously, is the partner director of design at Microsoft. So good to see that another legacy aspect of the OS is going to be fixed, for want of a better word, to match the look and feel of Windows 11. And this is all Microsoft. And this is all Microsoft now trying to fix Windows 11, as we have been posting and talking about on the channel as well. So clearly, in Windows 11, there is still a clear divide between modern and legacy interfaces. Because as an example, you've got the new modern settings app, which follows Microsoft's Fluent Design system and principles, while the control panel, which by the way I prefer, remains rooted in older UI concepts. And I've posted a video just the other day actually, titled "Microsoft Confirms Why Control Panel's Migration into these Settings is Taking So Long." I'll leave it linked, because we dive a little bit deeper into that, why things are taking so long to be migrated. Check the video out for more info. But as mentioned, I personally prefer the older control panel, and I certainly hope that before the demise, if ever, of control panel, that Microsoft gives us a dark mode in control panel. So be that all said and done, nice to see that Microsoft has now placed the input method switcher on its internal, what it's calling its craft list, meaning that Microsoft is starting active work to modify that component of the user interface. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.